New hires bring fresh energy, ideas, and new opportunities for your business. But without the right support from day one, that potential can slip through the cracks. Onboarding can often feel overwhelming, not just for the newcomers, but for managers and HRs too. That's why we've introduced the new Development Plans module in iSpring Learn to help you onboard and support employees more efficiently than ever, all in one place. Create personalized onboarding plans in minutes, track progress, and assign mentors to guide your new hires. Use pre-built templates to support interns or upskill seasoned employees. Empower managers and HRs with detailed onboarding progress analytics for informed decision-making. You'll save time, reduce hiring costs, and expand your internal talent pool, all while keeping employee growth on track. Explore development plans in iSpring Learn to deliver smart, ROI-efficient onboarding. Start today. Build high-performing teams ready for the challenges of tomorrow.